Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brilla. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my January update for the Pan Interrupted, which is our supernatural project pan that Amanda and I are doing together. This is just something that's near and dear to our hearts, and it's because we love the show Supernatural. So we are panning a product for every episode that has ever aired. And yes, as they tack on episodes, we're just going to go through those too. We are still in the beginning of the series because, you know, it's a lot of products to get through, and we just started this in August, so, you know, it's going to take a while, but we're enjoying it, and, you know, we're just going to go from there. I do have some empties since last update. For those of you that aren't familiar with this, that haven't watched this before, we are doing this as a rolling project, working on 6 products at a time, based on the episodes, and then as we finish them, we roll a new product in for the next episodes in line, so on and so forth. Woo! All right, let me show you my empties. Let's get into it. I have for the episode Asylum, I have the Amplixin. This is the scalp therapy shampoo because they do torture therapy at the asylum, so that's why I picked that one. That one is completely done. I did enjoy it, but it wasn't my absolute favorite, and it's not Curly Girl approved, so, you know, I wouldn't rebuy it. For the next episode, it was Shadow, and there are shadow spirits, so I chose a Franken Shadow that I had created. It is done. I had no doubts that this was going to be done. It wasn't a ton in there, but I wanted to get it done. All right, for Hell House, they end up burning down the house to stop the ghost in the Hell House. So, you know, because they were burning down the house, I chose something that was fire colored. It was this Mary Kay Satin Hands Scrub. I love this, and I am so sad that it is gone. But, you know, what can you do? You got to use up your products, right? I would totally buy that again. Or I think I'm going to try making some DIY scrubs. I think I have 1 scrub left in my collection, and I think once that is gone, I'm going to do some DIY scrubs. And for the last one, something wicked. There's a witch that sucks out the life of kids, and I chose something to counteract the winter wind sucking the life out of my skin, and that is the Kiehl's, I never know how to say that. I think it's Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. It was just okay. It didn't wow me, but it wasn't bad, and yeah, I wouldn't purchase it again. So there's that. I have 2 products that are rolling over from last month, which I think that's pretty good that I did 4 of 6. The first one is for the episode Home, where the mother's name in that episode is Jenny. So I chose the Buxom Lip Gloss in Jennifer. And hopefully you can see that red line down here at the bottom. I used pretty much all of it. It's not done yet, but it is very, very close. I am sure that will be done by the next update. It will probably be done before the end of this month, so I'm happy about that. So I should at least have 1 empty for next month. And for Provenance, it's all about a painting, so I chose a palette since, you know, artists use palettes to paint with. I just pulled something out of a palette to work on. I chose the Jane Iredale palette, and I am working on this powder right here, and my goal is just to hit pan. I do have a dip in it, but definitely not any pan yet. I did use it today, and I've used it all week. It's just, I used a super big fluffy, not this big, but you know, a big fluffy brush, so it's going to be a while till I hit pan in that one. All right, let's move on to the new episodes and the new products. I'm excited about this. I'm always excited to add in new products. For the next episode in line, it is Dead Man's Blood. Had to pick something red, of course, because it's blood. Went into my Coastal Scents 88 palette. I've chosen a red eyeshadow. Let me open this thing up for you if I can. this eyeshadow right here at the bottom or top, because I have it flipped upside down, I want to hit pan on that one. So that is for Dead Man's Blood. I have a shadow that's trying to escape. Get back in there, shadow. All right, for Salvation, I have chosen the Pantene Expert Intense Hydration Conditioner because a good conditioner is salvation for my hair, especially in the winter. I have dry hair, so anything that's going to give me moisture, that is my salvation for my hair. So that's why that product. Of course, I want to finish that one. For Devil's Trap, this one I had a hard time with because the episode is about rescuing their dad. Dean is in the hospital. I mean, it's a hot mess, this episode. I mean, like, everything that could go bad is going bad because of the Devil's Trap. And so I chose something based on the rescue of their dad, and that was, pardon me, that was this hair mask. I can't talk. I can't talk. I'm hearing my kids scream in the back, and I'm like half listening to them and half trying to talk to you guys. Ooh, I am a hot mess. So anyway, I chose this hair mask because, you know, it rescues your hair when it's damaged and dry and stuff. So that's why I chose this one. Got a lot of hair stuff, but you know, I need to get through it all because, you know, I have a lot to get through. And In My Time of Dying, this was another one that I had. Actually, I flip-flopped that. In My Time of Dying is when Dean is in the hospital. In Devil's Trap, they're trying to rescue their dad. I kind of like smushed them together. Brain dead. So In My Time of Dying, I chose something that I think will die very easily, almost like a gimme product, and went into the Coastal Scents 88 again. Hopefully that one eyeshadow will not pop out. And I chose A1, this one right here. It is basically a really light matte cream eyeshadow, and I don't think it'll take much to use that up. And, you know, I'm trying to get that out in my Gone with the Twins series with Amanda. If you haven't seen that, I'll be happy to link it up here if you want to check that one out. Yeah, we're working on getting all of our duplicates of certain types of products out of our collection. And that is one of them, and that's part of why I want that one to die. And I think it will quickly. All right, let's wrap this bad boy up. That is 4 products out, 4 products in. And I do think I'm going to have some empties for you next month, which makes me happy. It always makes me happy to have empties because, you know, empties make me happy. Hashtag on Instagram. I do that all the time. All right, wrapping this up. Go check out Amanda. She is going to be linked down below because she is doing this with me because, you know, I kind of like twisted her arm in the beginning, and now she's watching all the episodes again and she's loving it. So, you know, that's what besties do for each other. Anyway, go check her out. She is going to be in the description box. Her picture will be at the end of the video, so you can just click on it. Go check her out. Show her some love. And let's see, we need to give her an emoji. Since I am going to be working on Devil's Trap, give her the little devil emoji. If you feel like going over to her channel, put the little devil emoji onto her comments, and she'll probably be wondering what that is. And it's a trap. It really is. So go check her out. Show her some love, some devilish love. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.